We're here again at Oxley Hill Farm Flowers, and I'm with the incredible farm manager, Anna, who has possibly the best job in the world.
Certainly do, Ben.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for coming.
Let's start with, what's the first few tasks you guys do every morning when you get here?
First thing we do in the morning is we get in here and we pick the flowers. We're here at 5 a.m.
5 a.m?
So, yep.
Yeah.
We've got to get them picked before the temperature gets above 20 degrees. We pick from probably 5 till 9.
Yep.
Depending, weather pending.
Yep.
And then once they're picked, we into our beautiful shed and we start bunching to get the truck on the road.
If a person at home only had 15, 20 minutes a day, because everyone's busy, everyone thinks they don't have enough time to go into the garden,
Yep.
what would be your top things that they could do in that 15 minutes?
Well, depending on the season, you can do a lot in 15 minutes.
You can.
You can mulch.
Yep.
You can deadhead your roses. You can fertilise.
Yep.
You can also just wander around and smell the roses if you want.
It's a good point though, because
Enjoy the garden.
everyone thinks that gardening's a big task, and it is, but if you break it down into little sections, it's actually quite easy and achievable.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. So if you had 15 minutes every, say, 2 days of the
Yep.
week, at the end of the day, you've got a good hour of gardening that you didn't even know you had in a week.
And you won't get this, but you will have a nice
Trial and
garden.
error, you never know.
Yeah, good point. For the people gardening solo at home, if they did need something to help cut some time or make it easier or automate something, what would you suggest?
Probably your watering, your irrigation. If you've got timers, that's great. If you can also set out your sprinklers, so you can just roll your hose out and connect.
Yep.
That saves a lot of time.
So watering is really one of those things that takes a lot longer than what you might think, with pots as well, because they need extra watering. So timers are a great answer.
Yeah, 100%. And it's also weather pending as well.
Yeah.
If you've got flowers, say hydrangeas, and you want to pick them, or for us, we want to pick them in a couple of days, but we've got 3 or 4 days of lots of heat,
Yep.
we'll water those in preparation to pick.
Okay. Yeah.
So they say that you should actually water leading up to the hot weather,
Yep.
not when it's hot.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Yeah.
if you've got your irrigation ready to go, you can get home from work,
Yeah.
turn it on,
Yeah.
and
Away you go.
away you go.
So talking about harvesting actually, so what is the plan with harvesting here? Do you harvest per order or per truckload, or do you they just get what they get?
Well, it's very seasonal, obviously.
Yeah.
We try and pick to order,
Yep.
give the florists and customers the best possible product.
So you guys deliver all over the state?
Yeah, we've gone as far out to Orange, we have gone down to Canberra,
Yeah.
South Coast and Sydney every day.
So
yeah.
because you're growing stuff down here that they can't grow up there?
Yeah, we're
So-
in a little microclimate here. We've got
Yeah.
a lot of the English style flowers.
So we're here in the Southern Highlands and we have 4 very different climates. So obviously your planting would have to change for that. How do you guys go about planning? I imagine there's a lot of planning involved.
Yeah, there is a lot of planning, and now that we've done it for a few years now,
Yeah.
we've got a little bit of an idea of how and where we plant
Yeah.
certain varieties of flowers.
So you're learning obviously as you go.
Every day is a learning day.
Yeah.
You've got to be willing to make mistakes and learn from them.
Yep.
And that's living life, really.
Yeah.
So,
Life lesson.
well, yeah, I mean, we're professionals,
Yeah.
but we make mistakes. We have our mud map, so we have a visual map of the farm.
Yeah.
We can try and plan out what can go where.
Because other parts of the farm have sort of different aspects as well, don't they? You've got your north side, your south side, east, west.
Yeah.
So you've got to take that into account.
Yeah, and every plant is different.
Yep.
Some need shade, some need full sun.
Yeah.
Some thrive in the winter.
Yep.
Some, like, you need to plant the poppies before winter
Yeah.
because they love it.
So all that pre-planting, succession planting, there's a lot that goes into it.
Yeah, a lot of plants you need to plant months before they flower.
Yeah.
Well, most plants.
And you're cracking the whip, making sure everyone does it, being the manager.
Yeah, they'll say that. Yes, it depends in various ways.
So what about with Australia's climate? So we have really harsh conditions sometimes, really favourable sometimes. We have winds, we have rain, we have heat, we have everything here. So every day I guess you have to treat as its own individual thing.
Yeah. Especially here, we're in a little bit of a microclimate.
Yeah.
So we can start at 5, as I said, and it can feel like 6 degrees.
Yeah.
And then by the time we leave at 1, it's 36 degrees.
Yeah, right.
And that has been, the last couple of weeks has been like that. And the rain, has been lots of rain
Yeah.
and then nothing.
Yeah.
So every day we have to
So
Ask
irrigation.
Mother Nature what she's going to
Yeah,
do.
what she's going to do. So irrigation's obviously one that you can alter quite a
Yeah.
bit. I see you've got the shade covers out there over the dahlias. So
Yes, over the dahlias, over the sweet peas now, and over the chrysanthemums. And we have the windbreaks around the farm.
Yeah,
So we have
windbreaks are
wind
great,
comes
yeah.
straight through.
Yeah, I have noticed all the windbreaks. It really is its own little microclimate here.
Yep,
Yeah.
100%.
Now, talk to me a little bit more about the irrigation. How do you adjust it? What happens if things go wrong?
Well, with technology, I can do it through my phone,
Oh, right.
which is very handy. So when I'm not at the farm, like in the holidays when it was quite warm, we up the irrigation. I can do it. We have different zones,
Yeah.
different plants. So the roses are in their own zone, peonies are in their own zone, dahlias have their own zone, and so we can adjust accordingly.
You just mentioned a load of different types of flowers, and this question's probably impossible, but how many different varieties of flower do you have on the farm?
Oof, that's a really good question. It has been suggested 400.
Yeah.
And I have a rule with my boss that whatever she says, I times it by 2.5. So let's go 1,000.
Yeah,
It was
very
probably
good.
about 1,000.
Yeah, right. So there's a lot to keep on top of.
There is.
What about with trends and what flowers are in fashion, go out of fashion? How do you manage that?
We're quite lucky that because of what we grow and where we grow it,
Yep.
we have the florists come to us. They will have specifications of colours,
Yeah.
and if they want foliage or this, that and the other. A big trend at the moment is green and white.
Yeah.
So a week or two ago, most of the orders wanted green and white, it was tough towards the end of the week.
So because you've got such a variety here at the farm, I guess you can cater to certain trends to a degree.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, we can. We do our best to give the florists what they want and what they can't find at the market. So at the markets, they can get flooded with a particular type of flower. For example, at the moment, hydrangeas,
Yeah.
lots of
course.
those. We try and plant things that are a little bit different as well. Like we have status, which is the first year that we've done that. And that's been a little bit popular, getting there. Carnations, we don't do those anymore.
Yeah.
We thought they'd come back, but they haven't really. So yeah, it's trial and error.
Yeah.
And if a florist has an interest in a particular flower, we will try and get it and grow it.
Yeah.
So
I did notice out there there's a trial bed as well. So you're always trying different things.
yeah, we are.
Yeah.
We are. And the boss is always looking out for different things. So she'll take ideas from everyone. If someone sees something and a particular plant or flower,
Yeah.
and they're like, what about this? 99.9% of the time, she'll find it and we'll plant it and give it a go.
You really do have one of the best jobs in the world.
I do have the best job in the world.
So for the people at home that obviously can't have 1,000 different types of flowers in their garden, but they do want to have a flower garden, how many varieties would you say they need?
Really less is more,
Yeah.
probably 5.
Yep.
And then you can pick different varieties of that particular plant.
Yep.
And succession planting,
So there's always something
there's
happening.
always something happening. And the variety of the plants as well. So you could have bulbs in, and you can plant on top of bulbs.
Yep.
Bulbs will keep, these daffs will come up when they come up.
Yeah.
And that makes life easy as well.
Yeah.
If you have too much, you can overcomplicate and you can get lost in your own garden.
Yeah. I
And
completely agree with that.
With also with pests and controlling all that sort of stuff. If you simple,
Yeah. And you can
less is more.
repeat planting too. Like you can use the same
100%.
5 plants in a whole different range of areas.
yeah, 100%.
Okay, here's a final question, and a very tough question. I don't even know if you'll be able to answer it. But what are your top 3 plants for having cut flowers in the home?
Ooh, my 3 favourites?
3 favourites, yes.
Oh,
At the moment.
At
I'm
the
sure
moment?
it changes.
these.
Dahlias.
A few dahlias,
Roses.
a few roses, echinacea.
Yeah.
It's really hard.
How can you
To
lay
pick.
eyes on them and pick something different?
I know, right? I'm looking at it right now and I can't pick my favourite colour there.
Well, Anna, thank you so much for your time and showing us a little bit of what you do every day and bringing us into your world. I'm extremely jealous and think I might have a career change.
Absolute pleasure, Ben. You're welcome back anytime.
Thank you. If you guys have any questions about flowers or the flower farm, drop them in the comment box below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.